Hi, I'm Brian Heffernan. We're here today at my family's operation here in Starksboro, Vermont. We currently tap 48,000 trees. We started in 2010. We started with 5,500, and we've since grown our operation to what we are today. And we've done a lot of that with the product that CDL offers. Standing behind us is the R7. We currently have 2 of those, and we just continue to upgrade equipment through CDL and to make our lives more efficient and easier during the season. So mainly here in our operation is my father and I boiling, and then we have some full-time help along with some seasonal help. This is a family operation. I have 3 boys growing up, and I hope someday that they can take this over and continue what we've built here. We run a pretty light crew. We don't have a lot of guys working for us. We try to keep really good guys or talented help, and there's not a lot of that out there, so we just try to be as efficient as we can with the technology that's available, and we just look for more ways to make our job easier here. I would say that the guidance and just the technology and the innovations that CDL continues to come out with have helped us greatly with our day-to-day operations and allowing us to be more efficient in other areas. We're just able to manage our time a lot better now with the technology that we have.
Hey, I'm Nick Norton. I'm a service technician for CDL. I cover southern Vermont and Massachusetts. I've been into sugaring for as long as I can remember. I started with my father when I was very young and loved it. Ended up kind of running and managing a sugar bush for a guy in Lincoln, Vermont for 7 years, and ended up working for CDL. Started as a service technician, loved it. As we grew in this area, got more and more in the meeting with customers and helping out with sales. And what I really like about CDL is how we help customers from start to finish. I mean, there's a lot of different companies you can buy equipment from. There's companies that do stainless welding, but we do it all. I love sugaring, everything about it. I mean, I have 3,700 taps of my own, and I guess I like the diversity of it. I'm always doing something different. When I need, to be in my own head, I go in my own woods and let everything go, but I love working for CDL, just the different things that we do. I mean, it's something different every day. I do not like doing the same thing over and over.
We just recently upgraded to 2 intelligent 20-post ROs through CDL. They're fully intelligent, which is a huge help for us in our operation and just allows us to be more efficient. We don't have to be here while the ROs are running, and we can monitor those systems through our phones. The thought behind the stainless steel piping and everything that we have in there was we wanted to do it once and not have to do it again. And that was our thought with the stainless steel. And CDL was excellent in helping us with the piping and the layout of those machines. And Nick, our service tech, did an excellent job welding everything up and getting everything set for us, and just making the whole process a lot simpler and easier on our end.
This is all sanitary welding. I mean, we started right from the tank. This is a feed to the RO machine. Goes through the RO, through all the membranes here, stainless piped all back. Concentrate goes into chilled tanks over there. That's what's great about CDL is we can customize whatever for anybody. I mean, we can come up with a solution that works well for their needs. We plumb everything. We help whatever the need is. I mean, and everybody's situation is different. Everybody's building is different. We go there, like, I'll meet with customers. We'll start out, from their releaser. We've piped whole sugar houses out of stainless. It's becoming a big thing. It's sanitary. It's easy to clean, easy to take apart, and it looks very nice. That's what people like about it.
So this year coming into 2024, we're going to invest into some monitors to put in the woods through CDL. We're hoping that that'll again allow us to be more efficient with our time and just kind of ease on the day-to-day operations that we see and that we have here. All right, and here we are in our evaporator room where we're taking that 25% concentrate and boiling it. We're powering that with a 100-horse Cleaver Brooks, and we're making about 200 gallons of syrup an hour. Running one machine at a time. We just run one, and then we'll alternate back and forth to keep rigs clean.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.